Kristen here, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm going to be talking about my self-care routine and some of the ways in which I take care of myself. It's going to be a gentle, relaxing vlog where I'm going to be doing things that bring me joy, things that are good for my mental and physical health. So some of the self-care things I'm doing are pretty small, things that I just do on the day-to-day that help me feel calm, relaxed, and some of them are like significant things. Come along with me. I'm going to be making tea, making some breakfast. I'm actually going to be making some waffles. That's kind of like my go-to like homey self-care breakfast meal. But you guys, but when I was younger, my mom used to always make waffles when we were like feeling sad or just having a hard day, or honestly just any excuse to make waffles because she loved waffles. And so she kind of shared that with us. So I'm going to be making my gluten-free Trader Joe waffles for breakfast this morning and having some tea and just have a slow, relaxing morning. And then I'm making my bed, vacuuming, doing a little bit of exercise. Come along with me.
So the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I make my bed. And some of the benefits for me is when I make my bed right away when I wake up, I have a feeling of accomplishment, a sense of calm, I get better sleep, I have better organization, improved focus, relaxation, and better stress reduction. And there's actually even research out there that suggests that if you live in kind of clutter-free environment, you actually have improved focus, productivity, and lower levels of stress throughout the day. I would encourage you all to do this with me and to make your bed each morning.
So I'm gonna get some tea and do a little bit of reading this morning. So thus far today, I have made my bed, I've done a little bit of cooking, ate my breakfast, did some reading, just a very slow, relaxing morning. I'm going to go on a walk later, but I'm actually going to do a little bit of vacuuming here and just tidying up a little bit. So I'm going to start off with that.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for.
So I'm going to share with you guys some of my just general self-care tips and tricks and some of my thoughts here while I'm drinking my magic carpet tea. Some of my thoughts here on self-care is self-care can look any way that you want it to. Sometimes self-care walk instead of doing your regular routine. Sometimes it means doing yoga, drinking tea, drinking coffee, having a good healthy breakfast like apples and nuts and peanut butter or oatmeal or waffles. Sometimes it means talking to a friend on the phone. Sometimes it means reading a good book. Sometimes it means going to the gym. Whatever self-care looks like for you, do it. Okay, if it means you're going out and you're doing some dancing or you're doing painting or pottery, like find things that bring you joy and do more of them. Make time in your routine for the things that matter, the things that are going to fill your cup rather than take from your cup. Quite literally. It's so important, and I found that just like taking this day to reset, to reground myself has been so beneficial. And even just like opening up my curtains and letting in the light, opening up my windows. It's a little bit more of a dreary day today, a little bit chillier. It's still so beautiful outside with the leaves on the trees, and just something I've been noticing more today and trying to stay more present focused. So it's so important to recharge your batteries and to not just be constantly moving and doing tasks and being productive or quote unquote productive. And this is me saying, hey, it's okay to take a break. It's okay to take a self-care day and to just slow down and do what you need to do to ground yourself, to recenter. I'm going to finish my tea, read a little bit more of my book, and then I'm going to be cooking some baked potatoes, cutting them up, cooking them in the oven as a part of my self-care task for the day. Again, I'm a big fan of like cooking and baking, so for me, I actually am in the mood to cook and to bake, so I think I'm going to do that as part of my self-care day. Yeah, come along with me and let's do that. Y'all, sorry if lighting's really bad, but it's late at night, and a part of my self-care routine is doing a face mask. So I'm gonna do a face mask, light some candles, get some aesthetically pleasing vibes for tonight going on in my apartment, so that way it feels just homey and cozy and I can relax and get ready for bed. So I'm going to start off with doing a face mask. It's a Mary Kay clay face mask, and I put it on and then leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I wipe it off with a warm washcloth. So I'm going to do that now. So it is that time. It is nighttime, so I'm getting ready for bed. As you can see, I did my face mask already, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and had some fun with me, had your own self-care day along with me. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, as it is a beautiful day to simplify. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. Have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next one.